So you might be wondering what stretch goals are. Stretch goals are a special feature for those hosts that have already hosted a couple events. They are goals in addition to what you've already got planned for your basic event. Think live music act or a bigger event space. With stretch goals, your guests are more motivated to join and contribute to your event because they really want to get their hands on those extra event goodies, whatever that may be. As a host, stretch goals allow you to do two things. First of all, it allows your event to stand out among the rest. Secondly, it allows you to scale your event virtually risk-free. For example, let's say you add a bigger and better event space to your event as a stretch goal. Think rooftop terrace or a bigger loft space. Once you reach enough contributions to hit that stretch goal, your event space is funded and your guests are informed. If you don't reach that goal and reach that amount, it's no problem. The stretch goal is simply not a part of your event. So in the end, stretch goals are basically risk-free and they're easy to add to your event. So now it's time to give it a try. Creating stretch goals is easy. Just remember to think in totals. So let's say that you want to add a live band to your event as a stretch goal. First, make sure that you've already selected a funding type. Either one will do. Then go to Funding Stretch Goals and create one. You'll then be prompted to select an icon, create a title, and enter a total funding amount. So you know that the band costs about $300 a night, which means you'll be adding $300 to your minimum funding goal, if you have one, and then enter that total amount. Done. Now let's say you'd like to scale your event. It works pretty much the same way. Let's imagine that you'd like to create an event and you do so in your tiny backyard. But you'd like the opportunity to expand your event if more people join and contribute. So you add a beer garden that seats 50 as a stretch goal. Once you reach enough contributions to cover that stretch goal along with any other funding goals you have, it's a go. Just remember to keep creating buzz around your event on social media until you reach the contributions you need to hit that stretch goal. Trust me, everyone will thank you for it. And one last piece of advice. Avoid using variable costs as stretch goals. Things like transportation, food, and drink. These costs are more unpredictable, as is the guest count, and they could land you in the negative, which we don't want. So that's it. Let us know if you have any questions, and keep making great events happen.